Hello guys, I'm Tommy Magnanat and today I'm going to show you my new Forbidden Druid. Starting with the frame, this is a Forbidden Druid frame and it comes with a front and rear triangle made of carbon fiber. I'm running a large and this frame comes with a Fox DPX2 shock. This shock runs 130mm treble, and then Forbidden provides two options, the 140 fork or 150. In this case I'm running a 150 fork. It is a Fox 36 Elite, and with this setup I'm getting 465mm of reach and a head angle of 65.6 degrees. Then going onto the wheels, this is a E13 LG1 wheelset. It's 29-inch wheels and it's kitted up with Michelin Wild Enduro front and rear tires. So going to the cockpit, I'm running neckproof horizon carbon fiber handlebars. It is 780mm wide and it has a rise of 12mm. The stem is a neckproof neutron stem and this stem is 45mm long. And for the grips I'm using ODI grips. They are the ODI Flow Elite grips, and brakes are SRAM RSC grips with 203mm rotors front and back. For the drivetrain I'm using a SRAM Eagle XO drivetrain with 3x3 descendant carbon fiber cranks. Then dropper post, this is a RockShox Reaver dropper post. It's 170mm long and I'm using the Reaver X1 remote. For the saddle I'm using a neckproof Vector AM saddle. It's quite thin, it's quite stiff, I like it, comfortable. And then going to the pedals, neckproof pedals as well. They're the neckproof horizon, big platform, very easy to clip, like them, really like them. And then a fancy mudguard for the winter. And on the special features of the frame, we have a E13 custom chain guide and a E13 LG1 chainring guard. Another very cool thing is this little mudguard that is made to cover all the mud and dust going right into the bearings, so it's a little help to keep everything nice. Another cool thing that not many people know is that this isn't just a frame protector. In here there are two bolts that you can unscrew and then this lid comes apart. Once that you open the lid, you're gonna see a little carbon fiber cage where you can stick a tube inside. Now, I would advise not putting any tools or any metal things inside this. The reason being is this is just made of carbon fiber. There is no plastic or any protection inside, so you could damage or scratch the carbon fiber. So a tube is something cool that you could put inside and then as one less thing to carry on your rucksack.